Night Train. Night Train Limited, Modesto, California. This is a very good wine. Very hard to find. Had a hard time finding this. You're not going to find it in your local liquor store. You have to go to a specialty place to find this. In the mid-'80s, I was into a song. I really liked this song. It was called Half a Mile Away. And in that song, in the first verse, this is the wine that they're talking about. Night Train. Little Geo taking a sip of this. It says, served very cold. Yeah, I would sit in my room playing Half a Mile Away loud on the speakers with the windows open and the fall air coming in nice and crisp. I want to save this for a very special occasion, like evacuation day. Get that Night Train.